Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I am back at Quay for another Quay episode, Trainspotting during Vivid. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs.
Between the train and the platform.
For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times and allow others to get off before First stop, St James, then Museum, Central, Redfern, Erskine, St Peters, Sydenham, then all stations to Bankstown, then Luton.
Platform number 2 is a service Makassar by the airport.
The train on platform 2 goes to Macarthur via airport stations. First stop,
Anyway viewers, unfortunately that's all I had to show you guys, as there are too many staff on our platform, so I have made a decision to call it a day, and I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I'll see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.